In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize blocks on Squarespace. If you've ever felt like your page spacing is a little off or a photo needs just a bit more room to breathe, resizing blocks is the fastest way to bring balance to your layout. Let's walk through it together from the start so you can follow along with confidence. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. From the main dashboard, head into the website area so you're looking at your site's structure. Next, go to Pages. This is where all of your site's pages are listed. Choose the page you want to update and enter Edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place when your page preview becomes interactive and you see options to modify content. Now, locate the specific block you want to resize. Blocks are the individual pieces of content on a page, things like images, text, videos, buttons, and spacers. Click the block to select it. You should see a subtle outline or controls around it, indicating it's active. Move your cursor to the block's edge or a corner. When you're in the correct spot, your cursor will change into a double-headed arrow. That's your cue that the block can be resized. Click and drag to adjust the block's width and, where supported, its height. Dragging from a side typically changes width. Dragging from the top or bottom adjusts height. Dragging from a corner may influence both at once, depending on the block type. Keep in mind, not every block behaves the same. Text blocks grow vertically as you add content, so height is usually not manually adjustable. Image and video blocks often keep their aspect ratio to avoid distortion, so resizing tends to change how much space they occupy rather than stretching them oddly. Spacer blocks are great for adding or reducing empty space to fine-tune your layout. As you drag, watch for on-screen guides and snapping. Squarespace uses a grid to help align content, so nearby blocks may shift or wrap into new positions as you resize. If your layout jumps more than you expect, try smaller adjustments or modify spacer blocks to maintain balance. If the cursor never changes to the double-headed arrow, make sure you're still in edit mode and that the area you're working in allows manual resizing. Certain sections, like headers or footers, can be more restricted. And if you make a change you don't love, use undo to step back. That's it. Log in, open your page, select the block, hover for the double-headed arrow, then click and drag to resize. With a bit of practice, you'll dial in clean, consistent layouts across your site.